nothing's happening. Oh oh no. Hello everyone, today I'll be telling you my process of replacing the thermal paste on my MacBook Pro Retina 13-inch. Normally this is a very easy process, but because this was my first time ever opening up a computer, I almost threw it out due to one small mistake, which you should always keep in mind when you're opening up a Mac laptop. Just saying, this video is not a tutorial, but it will contain useful tips. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe down below, it's really helpful. I'm trying to hit 100 subs by the end of this month, and I'm only 11 subs away. So I'd really appreciate it. Let's get on with the video. The first thing I did was get a screwdriver kit and thermal paste off of Amazon. I'll link both in the description. Not affiliate links, I used both of these products and had no problem with either of them. The screwdriver kit contained everything I needed, and both products added together cost only $35 Canadian. Anyway, I opened up my laptop with a P5 pentalobe screwdriver. I pulled off the bottom case and disconnected the battery. This is important because this way you have no power going into the laptop. I took off the heatsink, removed the old paste, and applied some MX4 onto the CPU die. I then reversed everything I did, putting the laptop back together. Anyway, I thought I probably shouldn't bother screwing in the screws just yet. I wanted to make sure it still turned on and the battery was actually connected, and if it wasn't, I could fix it easily. So I powered it on. Or I tried to. I'm just gonna see if it powers on. Nothing's happening. Nothing's happening. Sejun, nothing's happening. Okay. Oh no.
What is happening?
Oh no, I don't think I connected the battery properly, to be honest.
Oh yeah, I don't think so.
I tried disconnecting and reconnecting the battery and it still didn't work. Then my dad looked at it and told me that I had to screw on the bottom case first, because even if you reconnected the battery, the circuit was still not complete. There's this black area on the bottom case, and that's what completes the circuit. If you remove the bottom case, you can't power on the laptop. Cool safety feature, but it nearly scared the heck out of me. I honestly thought I bricked it somehow, and there was no way of fixing it. I thought I had to sell it for parts or something, or just throw it out. I put the case on fully, and the laptop gave me a dead battery warning, probably because I disconnected the battery and then reconnected it. I just plugged it in to restart it again, and it started up with full battery. Looking back, I was just plain stupid. This is why you should always back up your files before performing any repair or upgrade. Even the simplest of upgrades like this one still have a chance of actually going wrong. A very little chance, but a chance nonetheless. Alright, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. We're almost at 100 subscribers. For the next week or so, I won't be posting as much because I have exam week and I need to study, so thank you for understanding. I will cover the Samsung Unpacked event as soon as I can though, as well as some other goodies, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching. I'm Faye from The Flying Pig.